How you doing, guys? It's Joe here at Jordan Bikes and Leeds, and welcome to the video of this lovely Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX. It's 2021 and a 21 plate. It's done 14,260 miles, and it is a slightly newer version, so it is the Ninja version, so you do get that full colour TFT display. Still get a lot of the same bits off the old one, so you still get the adjustable screen. You also get a full LED front light, you get ABS, you get traction control, you get different power modes now, and you also get cruise control, quick shifter and auto blipper. This one looks fantastic in the black, and it does have the Kawasaki heated grips. It's got a seat cowl, it's got a tail tidy, and it's got the 2-box luggage with the inner bags as well. It's a lovely bike. They're a real good seller for us of these, so if you do want it, be quick, get yourself down to Jordan Bikes, so just give us a call. Cheers.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.